In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Gmail not receiving a verification code. This common problem can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to secure your accounts or access important services, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. First, let's start by checking your spam, promotions, and other tabs. Gmail sometimes mistakenly filters verification emails into these folders. Open your Gmail and navigate through the spam, promotions, and updates tabs. Additionally, you can use the search bar and type in keywords like verification code, OTP, or Google to locate the email. If you do find the email in any of these folders, make sure to mark it as not spam. This action will ensure you receive similar emails in your main inbox in the future. Next, you need to check your email filters and blocked addresses. To do this, head over to your Gmail settings by clicking on the gear icon and then selecting See All Settings. Once there, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Review the list to confirm that the sender, such as accounts.google.com, is not blocked. If you notice any filters that could be redirecting emails away from your inbox, you'll want to remove or adjust them accordingly. Thirdly, double check that you're signed into the correct Gmail account associated with the verification code. It's easy to mix up multiple accounts, particularly if you use similar addresses. Furthermore, ensure your Google account security settings are up to date. Verify that your recovery email and phone number are current and correctly linked. Now, let's talk about requesting the verification code again. Occasionally, these codes can expire quickly. Go ahead and request a new code, but remember to be patient and wait at least 5 to 10 minutes for it to arrive. It's important not to make multiple rapid requests, as Google may temporarily block one-time passwords, OTPs, for security reasons. Another step to try is clearing your cache or using a different device or browser. Sometimes your current browser might have issues displaying new emails. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try logging in from another device or browser to see if the email comes through there. We should also review your email forwarding settings. Check if your Gmail account is set to forward messages to another email address, as this can cause verification codes to bypass your inbox entirely. Go back to your settings and then to forwarding and POPI/IMAP to ensure forwarding is configured correctly or disabled if unnecessary. Lastly, if all these steps don't solve the problem, consider contacting support or using a different recovery method such as SMS or an authenticator app. Visit Google Account Help for further assistance and resources. Following these guidelines should help resolve the issue of not receiving verification codes in Gmail. Good luck and thank you for watching.